Discover the efficiency of Hirose's FH67 series, a vertically oriented FPC FFC connector that streamlines connectivity with its innovative one-action lock design. This one-action FH system simplifies insertions. Insert the FPC without lifting the actuator and it locks automatically. This efficiency not only saves time, but can also reduce production costs. Suited for automated assembly, it minimizes manual effort and fits snugly, even in compact spaces, offering a practical solution for your factory automation. The FH67 series offers significant advantages, including an automatic one-action lock design, simplifying the connection process and reducing assembly time. A two-point contact system that effectively prevents contact failure due to dust. Compatibility with a range of FPC, FFC, and shielded FFC, offering versatility for various applications. High FPC retention force, ensuring stable and robust connections. Visual confirmation of FPC or FFC insertion status, aiding in reliable assembly. And environmental responsibility, adhering to halogen-free standards for a greener future. The FH67 series is ideal for a variety of settings where vertical space and reliable connections are key, especially in demanding industrial and automotive applications, including ADAS, autonomous driving ECUs, and infotainment devices. Its versatility and efficiency make it an essential component in modern electronics design. Stay ahead of the curve with the FH67 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.